I'm currently having a back to school supplies giveaway on my main channel, Nicole Jacqueline. To enter that giveaway, go subscribe to my main channel, Nicole Jacqueline. It is linked down below for you guys. And go follow me on Instagram at Nicole Jacqueline to enter. And go like this post you are seeing right here on the screen. And comment when you are done entering. And comment what you want to win the most in this giveaway.
Will it all collapse?
Eating ice, low key. Hi guys. So, is this even recording? Hold on. Okay. Hi everyone. So, I'm currently driving to, it's gonna fall for sure, but we'll just like try. What's the point of that? I could not tell you. Hey. Oh my gosh. I thought this street I'm crossing was called Slay Sun. Like Slay Sun, but it's Sluicin. Or something like that. Hi. I'm driving to the mall, the Westfield Mall. It's so pretty. It's kind of shaky on my dashboard. This is so beautiful, you guys. I will never get over how beautiful California is. Like, it's just so pretty here. Like, this is literally like a dream, okay? Your girl is not used to this much beauty, and I can appreciate it so much because I literally just moved here. Oh wait, parking my car now, bye. So, I am at the mall because tomorrow I'm going to this like music festival situation. It's like more like a day festival thing with my friend Adrian. You guys know Adrian. I love Adrian so much. And then I'm going to this like event situation on Saturday, and I want to look cute. You know, you're just like, I've already worn all my outfits and I want to just find a little like cute little clearance like top, or hold on, just something to like spice up my life, you know? Okay, really? Love that. So yeah, at the mall. Okay, that's not gonna work. Gonna go find some good finds. I just had Chipotle. It was so good. I can never eat all of it, like, at all. I'm so stuffed. I'm in such a good mood today. I woke up, I drank coffee. I haven't had coffee in such a long time. If I do have it, it's like so rare nowadays, but sometimes I just like forget that it makes me so much more productive, and I just will get, like, I'll do one thing and I'll be like so tired, but like I just need to drink some caffeine, you know? So yeah, I feel good today. So I got a video earlier today. I planned videos out. I filmed a video, filmed 2 video intros. Then I edited a video, got it posted, and then I went to Chipotle, and I'm at the mall, and I'm getting a birthday dinner tonight with my friends Stella and Sonia. I'm so excited. Stella turned 20, and I'm so excited for her. So we're gonna get sushi at like vegan sushi at like 6 or 7-ish. It's like 4. I think we're gonna go like 7. Plus, once we eat, it'll be like 7:30. So I'll be hungry by then, I'm sure. A girl likes to eat. I would never say no to food. But yeah, I'm so excited to go to the mall because yeah, I'm in a good mood. But it smells so good. They're the new summer candles. Waffle cone. Oh, I'm so happy. They have fall candles. I am not even mad about this. Okay, look at how cute these are. They're little magnetic leaf tops for like candles, I guess. They're so cute, actually. How much are they? $4. Kind of like, not that. I thought you knew more, honestly, but it's really cute. I'm definitely gonna get 2 leaves candles. Buy 2, get 2 free. Oh, so I'll probably gonna get 4 leaves. I love the leaf scent. Like, it's my favorite. So pretty. Oh, yeah, I'm so happy. I love fall. Bath and Body Works fall haul coming soon. All I need is fall. Yes. Okay, I got two leaves candles, and I'm gonna get one apple cinnamon cider, and then I'm gonna get a marshmallow fireside. So I love these scents. You guys would love fall. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Yay! So beautiful. So aesthetic. Whoa. It's like so minimalist looking and it's so pretty and pleasing. Down for it. Like, I don't want to get summer candles, I want to get fall candles. Marshmallow pumpkin water. I love this scent so much. Your girl might do a little bit of this.